Hello and welcome. We will be starting our graduation ceremony in some time, and I'm so excited. All the participants are waiting. So let me admit them one by one. Okay, now we have our participants coming in. Hi.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. Hi, Ida. Hi, Rashmi.
Hi. These are my kids. Introduce yourselves.
Hi. Good. Supporting mom, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, only mom doesn't have to go to your school and parent teachers meeting and everything and graduations. You also have to do the same. Awesome, awesome. So we will wait for everyone to join.
Okay.
And we still have few people. We are still 2 minutes before time, so we are ahead of time.
Okay.
Yes. So let me set my.
I am nervous.
Say that again.
I'm nervous.
Oh my God, Ida, seriously? And why is that?
I don't know.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Sumanji. How are you?
Hi, Suman.
आप बताओ कैसे हो?
Good.
अच्छे लग रहे हो बहुत.
Thank you. आप भी.
Thank you.
आज कहाँ से connect कर रहे हो? Where are you joining us from?
Light चली गई हमारी. अभी.
Okay.
अच्छा. Okay. We have.
Suman, it's really nice to see all your pictures. All your hairstyles are very nice, Suman.
आप रश्मि बोल रहे हैं ना?
हाँ, yes, I'm Rashmi.
आपका भी बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. अच्छा आ रहा है आपका भी.
Thank you.
Yeah, you all are meeting each other after orientation, I feel, right?
मैम मेरा बिंगो हो गया आज आपका.
हो गया. हो गया.
हो गया. That's important.
आज क्लैश कर दी, समझ नहीं आया.
Hi, Shraddha.
Hey, Shraddha, hi.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Awesome.
Trying to adjust. I'm on a new computer today.
Yeah, I'm seeing everyone's background has changed somehow.
Yeah, because the one computer is for school. The one
Okay.
which I use usually.
Okay.
So I'm using this one.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not able to.
Hi, Tejas. Tejal.
Hi everyone, how are you all?
Good, thank you.
Hi, Tejal. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. I'm so glad to see you.
I had to make time just because you text me so many times.
You're like, she is not stopping, so might as well just show up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we have Shraddha is here, Meena Sun is here, Neetu Gupta. So Neetu Gupta is who's, I would say, who's cheerleading? And we have Nakshi Mehra. So Sumanji, can you call Nishiji and tell her to join?
जी मैंने फोन किया था. एक सेकंड मैम.
Elisha,
Yes, Ida.
how do they go? Like my mom wants to watch it. How does she do that on Facebook?
So she goes to my Facebook page, and this is currently live on my Facebook page.
But it doesn't show. We are at your.
Wait. We will.
No, it is.
आप
I just did live like 3 minutes ago.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
क्यों? Anji, Anji.
There you go. Wait.
Can you see me? Can you see the live? And everyone's there on the screen.
No.
I can see.
Oh, you are on her personal, I think.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ वैसे ही आ रही है अभी एक बंद करो.
Can you hear me?
So we have my cheerleader also. My mother is here joining us, supporting us, giving you all a shout out and
Okay,
blessing.
it's nice.
Preyash. Preyash.
Good.
Good evening.
Maybe Luam knows how to do it.
Alicia, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. So, I would request all the cheerleaders to please be on mute. You can have your video on or off, that's totally fine. But I would love all the cheerleaders to be on mute so that it's
Yuki, put your
awesome. Hello, Nisha ji, Sharma ji is here. Hi.
आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो.
आपने बोला था कर्ल्स करके आओ.
हाँ आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो.
Thank you so much. We have, let me see who's missing here. We have Ida, we have Shraddha, we have Rashmi, we have Tejal, we have Liz, and who else? Meena, Manji is there. Nishiji is missing. So I think Nishi and Bhavani are missing. Liz, are you there? Can you hear me? Hi, Bhavani. Can you hear me? I think.
Ma'am.
गीता मैम आपको सुमन जी हेलो बोल रहे हैं.
Hello, hello everybody. Love you. Love you everybody.
Love you, ma'am.
love you.
Love you.
Okay. So our guest speaker couldn't make it. She just had like a stomach vomit. And I said, okay, take care. Don't worry. We'll be good. I would request all the cheerleaders to be on mute. Okay. Awesome. Let me admit. People. Yeah. Awesome. I think we have. Hi, Liz. Oh my God. Look at what you're wearing. I'm surprised. You look amazing. You look
I had to
amazing.
pick the best red outfit. Thank you.
This is amazing. Awesome. And yeah. So if any of you want to send the Facebook Live link to anyone, you can send the link which is in the chat. So there's a link in the chat right now in a Zoom call. And if you send that link to anyone, they will be able to see our Facebook Live. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. I think we have everyone. Let me do a quick roll call. I know some of my previous graduates would have loved to be here. Some of them will come. Some of them will like, maybe some of the time. So, okay. Awesome. So welcome to bridal and special occasion hairstyling. Okay. This is one of the most exciting and important ceremonies of Bash because we celebrate. And you know that I made you do hard work. You were crying, your feet were tired, you were having medicine, and you were doing your bingos, and you were fighting with your family to practice. You didn't want to sleep, but you had to sleep because your body gave up, and everything in between happened to you, right?
Yes.
And that's why this and that's why this graduation ceremony is extremely important, and it's about you. I want you to celebrate, and I want you to, enjoy this day. Okay, awesome. So officially, a welcome to bridal and special occasion hairstyling with me, and I would like to welcome all the cheerleaders, friends, and family who've joined us today. Thank you so much for joining. I'm Elisha, and I'm the instructor and trainer for BASH, and it's my honor to have you here. Awesome. So this is my class of summer 2020. Let me see who is not here. Shilpa isn't doing well. Sharma ji is here, Liz is here, Meena is here, Ida is here, Bhavani is here, Nishiji is here, Shraddha is here. Lakveer, are you there? I don't think so. Tejal is here, and Rashmi is here, and Suman's here. Okay. Awesome. Amazing. So welcome, cheerleaders, and I feel it's because of you that our bashers could complete their journey. Had it not been your support, we would not have been able to finish our journey, right? So whoop, whoop to all of you, okay? So this is today's agenda. You know that I roll on agenda. So this is my agenda for today. There's going to be a welcome note, and we had a keynote speaker, but she called in sick. So I'll have my mother, my mentor, to do the keynote speaker speech today. And then I'll show you something which I made for all of you with some love. And then we'll go through certification ceremony and your speeches, and then something that I want you to take away before our session is completely over. Okay, a welcome note by me. So we know that we have been doing table topics. We know that I'm huge on public speaking, but when it comes to saying something to people I love, I take a lot of time. In these 8 weeks, some way or the other, I have my affiliations and afflictions with all of you. Like, I love you deeply, and I see your previous work. When I was making our journey video, I was almost teary-eyed last night when I saw the final finished product, and I was like, every person is unique. Every batch is unique. It has a different vibration, a different frequency. And I do this. I teach with a lot of love, a lot of passion, a lot of thinking, and a lot of forward approach. And to see where you've come from, and you're like, you know what, Alicia, I didn't have time. I just had to finish bingos. And you were able to make hairstyles which were 10 times better than what you were able to do before with 3 amount of time. And it's still so beautiful. And you know you can do better if you just had more time. That is power. That is beautiful. And it really gives me an honor to know each one of you. It's my absolute honor to be the chosen one to teach you this bridal and special occasion hairstyling. And I would definitely want you all to be part of the BASH community forever and ever, because I definitely love each one of you. My heart is there. And that's why I keep texting you, messaging you, hey, do you need this? Hey, do you need this? Do you need this? You know what? I should do this. And even though, like Tejal said, you've texted me so many times, I had to show up. And Rashmi is like, I don't think I like O-shape, but I'm still going to try. And I'm like, I don't want to sit, but I have to sit. Can someone give me something more than coffee and Red Bull? That was amazing. And when Liz said, I hate 5-strand braids, what do I do? Where should I work from? And the way we hacked it and the way she's making styles, it's superb. And the way Meena ji was like, you know what, I can't do the shellfish tail, my pullouts are not neat. And look at the kind of buds and petals she's creating now. And Sumanji was so shocked that, can I do this backcombing? And Nishiji was so confused as to where she wants to stand. And Sharma ji was anywhere and everywhere, and she wanted to realize her dreams. I think this course has helped everyone. And even Bhavani, we all know her success story, how she booked her client. She went for one hairstyle and she came back with a bridal party booking of 10 or something. So it was instantly 10x amount of success or 10x amount of money only if you have the skill. And then we went ahead into what customizations we need to do for customers, and then yeah, and then in the last session I made you work on your brand, on your pricing, on your contract, and you were like, and Rashmi was like, I made this logo in last one night, right? So that is unique and that is power, and you did it. I want to tell you this, that you did it. I definitely facilitated, but I want all the bashers to give a full hand to themselves. So just unmute yourselves and just give me a full blown clap for each of the basher right now.
Over there.
A big congratulations and lots and lots of love. The journey has just started. Trust me. Okay. Awesome. And that's it. That was my little speech that I had to do. Let me move on to my next part, which is the keynote speech. We'll have a keynote speaker speech. We initially had someone scheduled for this, but she's called sick today. So I'll have my cheerleader, my mentor, and my everything, my mother, who is here, and I would love for her to give a keynote speaker speech, because if you love me, you implicitly love my mother. There's no other way out. Okay. So I would like all of us to give a hand to my mother. Let me find her. Okay.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Clapping for you. I'm so happy to see you all in this
Hi,
graduation
Auntie.
ceremony. Hello, baby. Hello, everybody. Hello, Rashmi, Meena, and all people. All are the Bashians who are getting graduate certificates today. Everybody, Ada, Lakshay, Tejal, Nisha, Apra, and all people, all, and someone if I'm not, Liz, Shraddha, Bhavani, Liz, everybody. I really congratulate on this occasion of your this success of graduation ceremony. I really pray for God the whole life you'll get this taste of your success. And Meena, all people, I'm just looking them. Golu, everybody is in there. I'm just seeing them. So you just whatever you have learned it. I think Alicia is a great teacher. She has started her journey from so many routes. She has come up now in this beauty industry, coming from the computer industry and coming into hair and industry and learning, and now merging computer and hair together. Now she is making her courses in such a way that it becomes techno equipped, and it should be a commercially benefited, and moreover the skill is really really high level skill she is teaching. So I really wish that all of you are graduating from the bash, from Alicia's this bash course. May the God will give all the success in your life. You feel you just touch the sky, and be a good man, be a good human being, be a good gentle person. Success does not mean only a money. Success does not mean only a power. It should be connected and grounded to the human roots. So you should be honest in your working. You should be honest towards people. You should be sharing and caring for the whole cosmos, what is giving on you. The whole existence is showering their all resources on you. So please be take care of all that resources should be taken care of, and you will be the part of beautifying the world, because you people are really a part of beautiful hairstyling. So I really say simply to you all, the whole world is waiting from your good creations. Everybody is waiting from your side. And Alicia, not only now, I think the whole life she will be in your touch. And I really feel she's a very good teacher. I really wanted her learning. I know she has started with me, but now she has crossed and she has coming up with a high knowledge and mindset and everything, and now she's coming up with the new things which I even can't think of. So I really congratulate all of you that you chose a better drive to go on a better in a platform, just from that you can fly off. So I really wish again a very congratulations to you. Touch the sky, but yet be the grounded. And in this pandemic time, the God has teaches us so much of things. Let's learn all that things and be humble, be polite, and be loving each another. So, Alicia, thank you very much giving me opportunity to be a speaker on this occasion. I know I always sometimes I come in surprisingly your class just to see people and I just cheer them up. So it is a really loving journey with me. Just be a part of your this hairstyling course, and I think now many more are coming with a more of new inventions within your mind and work. So we are waiting for that new things also. Thank you, Alicia, giving high words to you and your students and your all one whom you are connected with, and especially the IVA, which is really a very lovable image you have for that in India. So thank you very much, Alicia. Thank you, everybody. And you have put 100%. Whatever Alicia says, don't judge anybody. So don't judge anybody who's better or I'm not better. Everybody have a own journey. You have to go and cross up, and everybody have their own destinations. So don't worry. So thank you very much. Thank you, Alicia. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your thoughts. I will tell everyone that she said everything correct except one thing was wrong. And she said that I have exceeded her or something like that. She said something like that. No. Okay. So just see, that part is false. Everything else is true. So just wanted to point out that. And yeah, so we have a keynote speaker speech, which we just did. And now we are going to have a bash journey video, which I made some part, like I said. So let me share that with you. I would request everyone to be on mute for this. So just in case we don't want any noise coming through when we are doing this. Okay. Thank you so much. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Bashas, how was it? How was your journey?
Amazing.
Awesome. So let me start the graduation ceremony. I know that we have people here who have to. Okay. So this was your graduation ceremony video, which I wanted to do for all of you because of your hard work. And now we will start with a certification ceremony. We will have our certification ceremony would be a graduation certificate, then your dollar point certificate, and then a speech if you would like to give. Okay. Certification ceremony begins. So I would love for every one of you to clap for our graduates when they come and take their certificates. Okay. We will go in alphabetical order of the first name. So that's how I've arranged all the people. Some people are here, some are not. Absolutely fine. Okay. Our first graduate is Ida. Everyone give a hands full to Ida. Let me make her screen big. Yes. Congratulations, Ida.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So I would like to give you your graduation certificate and then your dollar point certificate. So your graduation certificate is right here. And your dollar point certificate is the Diamond Medal Award for all the hard work that you've done.
Hey.
Awesome. Would you like to give a speech?
Yes, and my daughter too. So you want me to do mine first?
Yes, that would be amazing.
I'm gonna go ahead and read it. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Okay. First, I'd like to say thank you for my family for being supportive during this journey. And Elisha has a golden heart. I say that because when she teaches her class, she did not only teach us how to do bridal hair, she teaches us also how to better ourselves. When I say better ourselves, that includes to be strong mentally and physically. She taught us how these all are connected in order to become successful. Each time we have class, she stayed with us until there is no more questions left to answer. She does not rush you or leave you till you are fully understand what she's trying to explain. She's a very good listener and a big time observer. Elisha definitely changed my mindset and taught me how to work to achieve my goals. Thank you, Elisha, and congratulations to fellow students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ida. Your words mean a lot to me. I remember when you were talking to me on the phone for the first time, you were like, should I pay you money? Will this really help me? Yeah, I remember. So thank you so much for trusting me on that day. Awesome. And your daughter wants to speak, right?
Yeah, go ahead, Effie.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Effie and I'm Ida's daughter. First, I want to congratulate everybody and good job. And you guys deserve this and you'll be doing brides left and right after today. But one person who deserves this so much is my mom. My grandparents have recently moved in with us, so my mom has been taking care of us. Even my dad, because yes, husbands can act like children according to my mom. Anyways, she stayed downstairs in the basement working till 2 a.m. doing hair. Sometimes I think she loves the mannequin more than me. She really is an amazing, strong, independent woman, and I wish to be like her one day. I love her more than anything, and I congratulate her with all my heart. Well done and congratulations. I love you. And well done to the rest of you as well. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, Effie.
Thank you so much. That's the reason you're able to finish your course. You love your mannequin more than Effie. And sometimes husbands can behave like children. I love that. So, and Effie, thank you so much for witnessing this hard work that your mom is doing, and she loves you. She loves the manicure. She loves you more.
And
I
my
also think my
son,
brother wants to do a speech.
yeah, it's a short one.
Go ahead.
Okay, so hello everybody, and congratulations on graduating. And now you start a new phase of your hairstyling career, I guess. And a very big congratulations to my mom. And she deserves it so much, and she works so hard. She takes care of us even more now that we're in school, and she still finds time to do her hair. And she makes it work, and whenever I can't find something out, she'll help me whenever I need it. So thank you to her, and congratulations to her, and congratulations to everybody.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. You've got lovely children, Aya. Amazing. Awesome. Time to move to our next graduate, and drum roll. That's Bhavani. Please give a big hands to Bhavani. That's her graduation certificate, and this is her silver medal award, her $point certificates for working so hard. So let me bring you on the screen, Bhavani. Let me roll you. Yes. Welcome. Do you want to give a speech?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Actually, when I started, I was very much planning to go for a hairstyle courses, because I always love to be updated. So many places I inquired regarding this. Then they told, I'll teach you so many hairstyles. I'll teach you 5, I'll teach you 10, 15. But I actually believe in learning the techniques. So when I spoke to Elisha, actually I have attended a jury seminar through IBA. So I love the way she teaches, and I really like the way I was just admiring that, and I was sitting, I couldn't talk anything that day, but still I like the way she explains. And I also believe always in the teaching in the technique, because I have an academy of beauty and fashion technology running since 2002. So I always prefer to be updated. So I was looking out for a hairstyle classes, and many places when I inquired, I was not satisfied. So once the day I saw Elisha's course details, I immediately texted. Without any second thought, I just texted. I think it was late night, but for me it was late night. I texted immediately. Then I told, okay, I want to learn the technique. So so that is how I joined. I was very much impressed with the way she teaches from the day one. Day one, I used to love the way she explains and all. So after that, actually, I couldn't attend many of the classes, but still I was able to do. And before I go to sleep, I used to watch the videos and all. I always kept on re-watching the videos so that everything goes in mind, because when we attend the live classes, it is a different. But when we see the recorded one, then it takes some time to go into it. So that is how I learned. And finally, one day I got an opportunity to go for a only for the hairstyle. I was just thinking whether to go or not, because the same day we had the classes here. So I was just thinking, but still I made up my mind and I went there. And then I got, actually I got one hairstyle for order. Then I thought I'll just finish it off early and come back. So after that, when they saw the way I did the hairstyle and all, they loved so much. And immediately I got around 7 hairstyles on spot order. So after that, and now they have even booked for the complete packages, and many of their relatives have contacted me regarding the same. Like they told they have their wedding that day, this day, and they were asking for the dates on that. So I'm so happy that I did a great thing joining this course. So I also congratulate everybody. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Bhavani. And you worked hard. You watched all the replays. You were pretty much on time. And sometimes your network was not there, and yet you found your way to finish it. Good job. Extremely good job. Very well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome. Let's move on to our next graduate. Do we have Lakhvir here? Is Lakhvir here? Give me a shout out if you are Lakhvir. I think she couldn't join. Next, after Lakhvir, our next graduate is Liz. So this is Liz's graduation certificate, and then that's her Diamond Medal Award. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Liz, and let me make her screen go big. Yes. Let's welcome Liz.
How's it going? I don't have anything prepared, so I'm just going to speak from the heart and try not to use or as I was taught. But I started this class. We started in July, and I didn't really know what to expect other than it was going to be a lot of hairstyles. And I just sorry. I just want to
I would request all the cheerleaders
whoever's talking to mute.
Yeah, just give me a moment, Liz. Can I have all the cheerleaders? Otherwise, I'll have to just remove the person who's the noise is coming from. Okay? I think I did that, Liz. Go ahead. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I just basically would like to thank Alicia and all my new friends that I met through this course. And last but not least, and most importantly, I do want to say thank you so many times to my boyfriend and my partner for giving me this class as a birthday gift. It turned out to be it turned out to be a gift that gave like more than tenfold, because I met some really cool people and I learned some really awesome things that had a lot more to do than just making pretty hairstyles. I've learned how to be a little bit better every day at my speaking, and not to be so hard on myself after being up till 2-3 in the morning, wanting to throw a doll head across the room. But I do want to thank him a lot, because he was around for a lot of the F-bombs, a lot of the frustrations during this, and I'm happy to say that I have a few weddings booked already as a result of this, and I am super excited to use everything that I learned in this course for these 3 weddings that I have so far and into the future. So thank you, and thank you everyone.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Liz. Thank you for your kind words, and keep up with the community like we talked. Don't let good people run away in life, right?
Awesome. We have an oath.
Yeah. We have an oath that we will do the oath taking ceremony in just a bit. Okay. Yay. Okay. Let's move on to our next graduate, and that's Nisha Sharma. And this is her graduation certificate. This is her Bash World Champion dollar point certificates. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Nisha Sharma.
Thank you. Thank you, Alisha ma'am. Thank you very much for wonderful teaching techniques. And thank you for everything. Thank you, Dr. Sangeeta Chauhan ma'am. Because of her only I'm the part of BAS group, and I learned a lot, especially the techniques, how to decode the hairstyle, because every single time a hairstyle attracts me a lot, but I don't know how to decode it. But after joining this class, I learned a lot. Thank you, ma'am, from bottom of my heart, because what I'm doing today just because of you. I don't want to say, and I just want to say thank you so much. It's possible because of you. You are the best teacher of this world, because wherever we go for like learn hairstyle, they will teach us a few hairstyle, like we will teach you 10, 5, 15, and we will going to cost like 2,000 rupees per hairstyle or 3,000 rupees per hairstyle. But in this BAS, now we know how to make different hairstyle by bob cross technique. So thank you, Alisha ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Sangeeta Chauhan ma'am, for everything, for everything, ma'am. Thank you so much, Alisha ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sharma ji. Thank you for bringing up your great questions, and it was a delight to have you.
Thank you.
Okay, we have our next Sharma in the family for the next for our next graduate, and that's Nishi ji. So let me share with you her dollar point certificates. So this is Nishi Sharma's graduation certificate, and then this is her dollar point certificate. So let's welcome Nishi ji on the screen. Yay!
थैंक यू अलीशा, थैंक यू वेरी मच। मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि मैं इतना कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन जो भी कुछ है आज आपकी वजह से है। यू आर रियली ग्रेट, ऑसम एंड अल्टीमेट। यू आर ए एक्सीलेंट टीचर। मतलब मुझे लगता है कि जो टेक्निक्स आपने सिखाई है उनको हम प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे तो पता नहीं कहाँ के कहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू संगीता मैम, जो आप वैल्यूज देती हैं, जो आप सिखाती हैं, उनको मैं बड़े ध्यान से सुनती हूँ और ये सोचती हूँ कि वाकई में इसको अपने व्यवहार में लाना चाहिए। संगीता मैम ने जो सिखाया है उसकी छवि मैं आप में देख पाती हूँ अलीशा। तो बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से, फ्रॉम माय बॉटम ऑफ हार्ट, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। और हमारे बैशर्स जो कोलीग्स हैं उनको भी बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहती हूँ। किसी भी टाइम हम लोग फोन कर लेते हैं और एक दूसरे से बात कर लेते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों के साथ, ये जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रही और लगता है कि आगे भी ऐसे ही जुड़े रहेंगे। Thank you so much, Alisha.
Thank you so much, Nishi ji, and congratulations. आपने बहुत hard work किया है. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Time for our next graduate, Meena ji. So Meena ji का ये graduation certificate है, and this is her dollar point certificate. So let me zoom on. प्रॉपर साड़ी पहनी है आज। या वेलकम।
संगीता मैम को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगी, उसके बाद आपको बोलना चाहूंगी क्योंकि मैं यहाँ तक आई हूँ उन्हीं के कारण। तो आप तो मेरे टीचर है ही, आपको तो तहे दिल से धन्यवाद है, लेकिन मैम को आपसे ज्यादा धन्यवाद है क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ तक लाने में उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। और अभी तक मैंने बहुत जगह से हेयर स्टाइल सीखा था। लोग एक पर्टिकुलर हम लोगों को वो हेयर स्टाइल, ये हेयर स्टाइल है, वो बनाते जा रहे हैं, हम देखते जा रहे हैं, कोई बेसिक टेक्निक नहीं होती थी। आपने जो हमें एक टेक्निक के तहत सिखाया, बॉब क्रॉस के तहत सिखाया, उससे आज हम बहुत सारे, मैंने ही खुद बहुत सारे ऐसे मतलब हेयर स्टाइल को डिकोड किया है और बनाया भी है। आपने मेरे उसमें देखा भी है, मैंने बनाया भी है देख करके। तो पहले तो हम देखते थे, सोचते रह जाते थे कि ये कैसे बना है, लेकिन ये आपकी वजह से पॉसिबल हो पाया, आपकी टेक्निक की वजह से पॉसिबल हो पाया। और एक चीज समझ में आया कि यदि किसी टेक्निक के तहत कोई भी काम करते हैं, मेकअप हो, हेयर स्टाइल हो या अदरवाइज कोई भी, यदि टेक्निक से करते हैं तो वो बहुत अच्छा और बहुत जल्दी और प्रॉपर वे में होता है। तो आपको ब्रॉडकास्ट टेक्निक सिखाने के लिए तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ। आपने टेक्निक तो सिखाया, हेयर स्टाइल तो सिखाया, प्लस हमको साथ में जो पार्लर का मैनेजमेंट सिखाया, CPC, कि कैसे हमको इसका कंसल्टिंग करना है, कैसे प्राइसिंग करना है, कैसे हमको प्रेजेंटेशन करना है, कैसे हमको उसको बुक करना है। तो वो सारी चीजें भी आपने हमें इस कोर्स के तहत सिखाई, जो हमारे पार्लर में आगे बहुत काम आने वाली हैं। और वो मतलब पॉसिबल है ये कि हमारा काम अब जो पहले था उससे 50-100 एक्स्ट्रा ही आगे जाएगा। तो मैं आपका फिर से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी, अगेन एंड अगेन। संगीता मैम का धन्यवाद। थैंक यू एलिशा जी।
Awesome. Thank you, Meena ji. Thank you. Okay, let's go to our next graduate, and that's Rashmi. And that's Rashmi's graduation certificate. And this is Rashmi's diamond medal certificate for her dollar points. And let me present to you Rashmi.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my parents, my husband, and even my daughter and my friend, my sister, everybody for being so supportive throughout this BASH journey. It has been a good 8 weeks, and here we are ready to graduate. We worked hard to get to this point. We could not have done it without you, Alicia. Thank you for unselfishly sharing your time, talent, and knowledge with us. Before joining BASH, I was pretty hesitant about an online course, but I was wrong. It was much, much beyond my expectations. The Bob Cross techniques helped us learn these great hairstyles. Bingos made us think how to apply those techniques we learned. And the dollar point system kept us going. And the winner's workout was really a workout that I looked forward to. It was tiring, but end of it, we felt so good to have completed a beautiful hairstyle. It felt really good. And the Facebook group for us bashers, especially, is very thoughtful. Posting our homeworks there helped all of us a lot. In the process, I made some good friends too at BASH. Alicia, you have put a lot of thought into this course, very well planned. And yeah, this course was not just about learning hairstyles, it was like a personality development course too. Alicia also gave us lessons on how to start our own business for those who haven't started yet, how to attract clients, setting up pricing, marketing your brand, and so on. And all this was just not theory. She actually practically made us set it all up, and do it all. And she's a great motivator and best teacher one can have. I now have everything set up to kickstart my business confidently. And yeah, if Alicia came up with another hairstyle course or any other hair-related course, I would just sign up in a heartbeat. Thank you, everyone. It was really nice. This journey was really good for me. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rashmi. And we have your cheerleaders right behind you cheering for you. So I know your husband and your daughter are there. So I just want to say a big thank you to both of them for letting mom be as busy as I know how you were busy, because I know the homeworks I gave. So good job, Rashmi. Thank you. Awesome. And our next graduate is Shilpa. I think she's not here. She's ill. She went to doctor's last night. So we will move on. And then we have our next graduate, Shraddha. So that's her graduation certificate. And this is her Diamond Medal Award. So let me bring to you on screen, Shraddha. Yes. Yay!
Thank you, Alicia. Good afternoon, guest, Alicia ma'am, family and friends. I'm honored to be saying a few words in front of all of you and celebrate our accomplishments as a full class. A well-known Irish quote says that better pass boldly into that other world in the full glory of some passion than fade and wither with age. I believe we as a class have exemplified that statement. Through these past 8 weeks, I have seen us all discover and devote ourselves to our passion and grow immensely as a result. 8 weeks, Alicia ma'am, and dear friends, who would have thought that a then nervous hairstylist within us, ourselves, would survive bingo challenges, thinking ideas, executing those ones to best possible ways, creating a different, beautiful new hairstyle. Altogether, we have come a long way in our indeed indeed. The techniques we have learned in class will surely help us through the next stage, but we also need to practice, be consistent in putting efforts, and keep trying new hairstyles. There is yet another thing we all need to remember. I'm sure that all of you will agree with me. One very important thing that kept us going through bingo challenges is the encouragement and appreciation from Alicia ma'am and all of my batchmates. It has helped us to stand on our own. I'm very thankful to God that I met Alicia ma'am. I believe it was a turning point for me when I was just sitting and browsing through InstaFeed and I came across Bash Course. What a huge difference these 8 weeks have made for me and for all of us. It's amazing how a great mentor can change so much in a way you look at the things. Thanks so much, Alicia ma'am, for all your efforts, encouragement, appreciation, and constructive feedback. One last thing that I would like to mention that class, this is the most important thing, that class was supposed to be 2 hours twice a week, but I think Alicia ma'am never looked at the clock and she always made sure that we are learning something, all our doubts are answered, all our concepts are well understood, and the class was always extended from 2 hours to anywhere between 3 to 4 hours, and sometimes even beyond that for a very difficult hairstyle. But she made it sure that we are comfortable. By the end of the day, I was so confident. When I used to start the class, I used to be like nervous, okay, this I'm not getting clear. But by the end of the class, I used to feel so confident about it. And thank you so much, Alicia ma'am, for this. Once again, congratulations to all of us. And we deserve one more round of applause for sure.
Yes, we do. Thank you so much, Shraddha. It was a very, very well thoughtful speech. Thank you so much for sharing that. Awesome. We have our next graduate now. So let me have on the screen our next graduate, Suman. Suman Sethi. And this is her graduation certificate, and this is her dollar point certificate. So let me bring to you on screen Sumanji. Where is she? I'm trying to find her. Yes. Sumanji.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आइबा में संगीता मैम का थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर मैं उनसे ना मिलती तो आप तक नहीं पहुँचती। तो सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा उनके लिए मैं थैंक्स बोलती हूँ। उसके बाद आपका बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि अगर आप मुझे ना मिलते तो शायद मैं जो 4 मंथ्स पहले सोचती थी कि ये मैं हेयर स्टाइल बना पाऊंगी, मैं कहाँ से सीखूं, कैसे करूं, तो हमेशा दिमाग में ऑनलाइन देखती थी, यूट्यूब पे देखती थी, लेकिन दिमाग में यही रहता था कि ये चीज़ें मैं कहाँ से करूं, कैसे करूं कि मैं सीख जाऊं अच्छे से अच्छे, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा बनाना है, बहुत अच्छा सीखना है। तो जब मैंने आपका देखा तो फिर दिमाग में सवाल आए, करूं ना करूं, करूं ना करूं। मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया। थर्ड, मैं अपनी फैमिली को थैंक्स बोलती हूँ पूरी, मेरे हस्बैंड, मेरा बेटा, मेरी डॉटर और साथ में मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर, जिसने आके आराम से रेस्ट मतलब सोई रही और मेरा पूरा काम उसकी मम्मा ने मतलब मेरी डॉटर ने करवा दिया। तो मेरी फैमिली ने बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया है। और उसके बाद आपने इतना अच्छा सिखाया है, इतना डीपली सिखाया है कि जैसे अगर हमने कुछ किया है तो आपने एक एक पॉइंट पकड़ा है कि जो चीज़ हमें नहीं पता चल रहा, आप उस चीज़ को ये नहीं कि हाँ देखने में सुंदर लग रहा है तो आपने कह दिया जी हाँ बहुत अच्छा है, ऐसा नहीं, आपकी यहाँ मिस्टेक है तो आप इसको और अच्छा कर सकते हो। तो आपने एक गुड टीचर का पूरा रोल अदा किया है। मतलब थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत ग्रेट टीचर हो।
Thank you so much, Sumanji. आप thank you so much. मेरे पास I don't have words. I don't have words. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. So with this, we come to an end to our graduation ceremony. But before we go, I have few things for us to do. There is going, like, you know how when we started our class, I had this badge of orientation, and then we did our orientation and we said that there needs to be a mindset to do bash. So there needs to be a mindset to graduate bash. Okay. And I want to also give you some future goals. Okay.
अलीशा मैम,
हाँ जी सुमन जी,
मेरी डॉटर कुछ बोलना चाहती है।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, she can. Yes.
Hello everyone. I am her daughter and I am very, very thankful to you. And very soon I'm going to be a student, for sure. I want to learn each and everything you're teaching her because I am like, मम्मी क्यों कर रही है अकेले, मैंने भी करना है। मम्मी क्यों कर रही है अकेले, मम्मी इतना अच्छा कर सकती है तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ। And I am gonna do this, for sure. I'll be a student in the future. And please don't forget me. Do remember this कि हाँ सुमन सेठी की कोई daughter थी जिसने मुझे promise किया था. And yes, she is the youngest cheerleader for everyone here. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shraddha, thank you so much. Shraddha, your son also wanted to speak. Is he here? You can unmute yourself.
Have to check. He's in another room. I don't know if he has finished his classes.
I'm here. Yeah, Ved is here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay. Ved, do you want to go?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
My mom works very hard. Along with taking care of everybody, she also practices her hairstyling for a long time, and her hairstyles are amazing. And she has started making hairstyles which I've never heard of or even seen. So yeah, that's a good thing.
Awesome. Thank you, Ved. And thank you so much for coming in and cheering for your mom. It means a lot to her and to us. And do we have any other cheerleader who wants to say something before I go ahead? Any other cheerleader? Okay.
Hi, this is Shraddha's sister from India.
Hi.
Hi. So this is my daughter here. We both are here to cheer for Shraddha. So basically, she has been sharing her work through pictures because we are in different countries. So she has been sharing her work and the kind of hairstyles she has created is commendable. I can really see the effort that you put in to teach all of them. So congratulations to all of them and Shraddha. And there is my mom wishing congratulations as well.
Congratulations.
So thank you so much, Alisha. She's really enjoyed all of this journey and she was very excited. And every day she would talk about what she has learned. So that tells me that, I think it was very contagious, your enthusiasm, your passion that you transferred it to her. So congratulations to you and all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello.
I wish to be toxic from contagious now. Next time. Yes, Aryan. So where are you? Yes. Let me zoom your screen. So Aryan is cheerleading for Sharma ji.
तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलूँगा कि इनको इतनी सारी अच्छी हेयर स्टाइल सिखा दी आपने और आपने इनको इतना सारा होमवर्क दिया कि ये तो सुबह से शाम तक इनको हेयर स्टाइल ही बनाते रहते थे और उसी वजह से शायद इनको आ गया इतना सारा हेयर स्टाइल बनाना और मैं भी ज्वाइन करूँगा अभी अगले साल से मेरे को भी आप बहुत पसंद आ गए
Okay. Thank you so much, Aryan. Thank you for your kind words. Keep supporting mom like you do. उनके बाल कर्ल करते रहो और डमी के बाल भी कर्ल करते रहो. Good job. Awesome. Okay. So like I was saying, there needs to be a mindset when I say that now you're graduating. So now you have more responsibilities also. So here we go with the final module, which is the BASH graduation mindset and future goals. Concept number 1, what will make you successful in life? Is it education, money, talent, location, experience, or pedigree? None of this makes any sense until you have persistence, until you keep doing what you are doing. Remember how I said, repeat to succeed? You have to keep doing it for you to succeed. So now that when you're graduating, you don't have to stop. अभी मन करेगा कि बस खत्म होगी लाइफ, कर लिया मैंने डॉलर पॉइंट, हो गया मेरा सर्टिफिकेट, लेट्स रिलैक्स. Do not relax. Keep working on yourself. Second thing that's very important is to be 1% better every day. Like I said, you all are here. And if you become 1% better every day, in 1 year, you reach 37.78 from 1. Only if you become 1% better every day. And if you become 1% worse every day, then if you are here, then after a year, after 365 days, you will almost be close to 0.03 mathematically. So see how much difference it makes to be 1% better every day. The reason you are doing good now is because you were working on yourself for 8 weeks. Now imagine working for yourself for an entire year. Okay, so I don't want you to stop challenging yourself. I want you to be on the green line. I want you to celebrate, but I don't want you to jump from blue line to red line, because red line is again going down. You all are in the blue line. This is where you are. Do you see yourselves? This is where you are right now. You still have some way to go. You're on the right track. You just have to keep walking. Okay? So this is what I wanted to tell you. The third thing that I wanted to tell you about a graduation mindset is that your network is your net worth. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is that you are the average of 5 people that you spend most time with. The reason you were successful in Bash is because you were spending all the amazing time with bashers, and then you were seeing their hairstyles, and then you were seeing their pricing and their vision brochures and their checklist and everything. And that's why you were improving so much. For example, the Bash Facebook community group helped you to positively be influenced. And because of this, you really improved every day. So my goal for you, so this is a homework that I'll give you, and there are no dollar points this time. You do this homework for yourself, not for dollar points. Take it? So write the name of 5 to 10 people, your inner circle, and awareness is the first step and action is second. So at least write the name of 5 to 10 people that you want to surround yourself with, and then always be connected with them. Okay. So while we were doing this discussion in our last class, my crazy bashers came up with an idea of doing a weekly thing, a weekly ceremony. And I am crazy with my crazy bashers, and I said, let's do a oath. Okay. So I want Rashmi actually to tell you what this is about. And then I would like to invite all the crazy bashers who want to be part of this to take the oath. So Rashmi, do you want to explain this? You have to unmute yourself.
So the oath is about what we are going to do, what we're going to keep doing, that we are going to keep working on our skills and not give up and things like that. And we came up with this thing that every Thursday we're going to post about 3 hairstyles at least that we have done the entire week. And so we're going to look forward to that Thursday when it comes. We're going to see each other's hairstyles, and that keeps us going. So we are not going to just sit back and relax even after the course is over. We're just going to keep moving. That's about it. And we have made a hashtag for that. It's going to be like a Bash Bingo Night, BBNT hashtag, and Bash Thursday. We're going to post it on Facebook. So we're going to help each other. We're going to identify our goals and help each other in pushing each other to reach the goal. We are not to ourselves. We are in as a team, as a community. So that's what it is about. And we have this oath that we can all read. Or
yes, so I would want all the bashers who are ready, who want to take this oath. So what I'll do, I'll also share it on the screen just in case, because I feel it would be helpful. So this is the basher's oath.
Can we make it 7 instead of 3?
You are your master. So I would say let's start with 3 and then increase incrementally.
Okay. Because
Okay.
one a day.
Okay. So let's do Basher's oath. Everyone, I know Rashmi is doing it, Shraddha is doing it, Ida is doing it, Liz is doing it. So Sharma ji and Nishi ji and Suman ji and Meena ji and Bhavani, this is about, इन लोगों के पास ये आइडिया आया है कि ये हर हफ्ते 3 हेयर स्टाइल पोस्ट करेंगे ऑन थर्सडे एंड हैंग आउट करेंगे बैश फेसबुक ग्रुप पे, और ये इनकी ओथ है. सो जैसे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं तो डॉक्टर्स प्लेज लेते हैं, ठीक है, पुलिस वाले होते हैं वो प्लेज लेते हैं, तो ये बैशर्स का ओथ है. एंड ओथ मतलब जिसने ये ओथ ले ली वो निकल नहीं सकता है, राइट? सो ओथ इज अ कमिटमेंट. So whoever wants to take the oath, we will say the first sentence. Okay, so whoever wants to take the oath, please unmute yourself. All the bashers who want to take the oath, first unmute yourself. Okay, all the bashers who want to take the oath, unmute yourself. And then, like we do in assembly, repeat after me so that it will be easier and we all are saying it in chorus. Okay, I promise.
I promise.
Working on my hairstyle skills.
Keep working.
Keep
Working
on my hairstyling skills.
on my hairstyling skills.
I learned at Bash.
I
learned at Bash.
I learned at Bash.
I will support all my Bashers.
I will support all my Bashers.
And we'll help each other.
And we'll help each other.
And we'll help each other.
In growing as a community.
In
Growing as a community.
In growing as a community.
I will try to be a better version of myself.
I will try to be a better
version of myself.
Each day.
Each day.
As I improve and grow.
As I improve and grow.
I will track my success.
I will track my success.
I will track my success.
Celebrate myself.
Celebrate myself.
Celebrate myself.
And others at Bash.
And others at
Bash.
I will identify my goals.
I will identify
my goals.
And respect the goals.
And respect the goals
of other Bashers.
Of other Bashers.
I pledge.
I pledge.
I pledge.
I will create.
I will create.
At least 3 hairstyles every week.
At least 3 hairstyles every week.
Every week.
And post it on Bash Facebook group.
And post it on Bash
Facebook group.
Hashtag BBNT.
Hashtag
BBNT.
Hashtag Bash Thursday.
Hashtag Bash Thursday.
Yay! You are now successfully sworn in to the oath of Bash graduation. Good job. This is important so that you continue doing this. This is important so that you are continuously working on yourself and you are becoming a better version of yourself each day and every day. My third important concept that I would like to talk about is the importance of Miracle Morning. So I don't know how many of you know this, but I would do a morning class, and my morning class with Indian time was 7:30 p.m. So it was 7 a.m. in my time zone. And then I would do an afternoon batch. And the reason I was able to have a very successful day is because of Miracle Morning. So this is an amazing book that I love. You can go through it. It's by Hal Elrod. And it's called Miracle Morning, the not so obvious secret guaranteed to transform your life before 8 a.m. Because I feel if you wake up and if you have bagels and cheese and ham and all the stuffy stuff and all the fat and proteins, or if you wake up and then you have maybe a paratha and then you have chola bhatura in the morning and then you have a full glass of lassi, then you're done. Then all you need to do is you need to rest and sleep now. Okay, because you have stuffed yourself with so much of calories and fat, because your body will just now want to consume and it's not ready to take action. So Miracle Morning is extremely important. So this is what I have to tell you. There's a science behind Miracle Morning. It's not a mindset, it's a science. Have some workout routine. Make sure that you have healthy breakfast. Do some meditation. Now, I'm not saying go to a mountain and sit there for 2 hours. A meditation for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, zone out, put some earplugs so that you don't hear anything and just listen to your breath for 5 minutes. It'll change you. Give yourself positive affirmation every day. For example, this morning I was, Elisha, you're going to have amazing Bash graduation. You're going to look beautiful. All the people will be dressed up. It'll be so beautiful ceremony. You will all be smiling and it'll be a day to remember for the rest of your life. This was something that I was telling myself all morning. It's my positive affirmation. Start your day with positive affirmation, whatever you want to do, whatever is your goal. Tell yourself something positive. just don't, because in the world of social media day and age, you feel like the others are going here and she's going Australia and she's doing this and he's doing that and I'm sitting in my house, dull, boring. This is what we feel. Social media has made us compare our lives with celebrities and with people who we knew in her childhood who are doing something else now. And that plays a lot with our mind. So, you know what? Love yourself and give yourself some positive affirmation each day. And then like by positive affirmation, I don't say that lack yourself in any way. Have some goals for yourself. So I have goals for myself each day, every day. What am I going to achieve today? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do BASH graduation ceremony right now. And then my mom gave me a target that, hey, Lisha, you have to do this account. So I will be sitting with my glasses on my Excel sheet, doing some jargon of mathematics now. So that's my goal for the day. I am done. I have my workout done. I have my healthy breakfast done. Then I always keep hydrating myself. I make sure that I'm meditating for at least 5 minutes a day, some positive affirmations and goals for the day. That's my science of miracle morning. It's not a magic. It's something that you just have to keep doing and you will feel so much of difference in your life. You know, there are people who are rich. There are people who are successful. There are people who live in $1 million houses. And yet they have suicides, yet they have bad relationships, and that's because they are not giving themselves positive affirmations. They are not surrounding themselves with the best people around you. Okay, so BASH is about changing your life, not only in hairstyles, but the way you treat your profession and the way you treat yourself. Okay. And so my goal for you would be set your miracle morning routine and follow it. Okay. If you want, you can post on the BASH Facebook group what your miracle morning is going to be from tomorrow and use your Atomic Habits worksheet to set that up. Okay. And this is it. This was my final journey with you. And regarding Facebook group, how you can post and ask questions, that's something that I wanted to talk about. Suppose you have a question maybe 2 months from now. So you can go to the Facebook group and there's an official questions thread. So what I'll do is right now, I will pull up the Facebook group and you just have to post your question on that official Facebook thread. So let me share my screen. Okay. So this is the Facebook group. Okay. And you go to search. Do you see this search here? Can you all see the search?
Yes.
You go here and write hashtag question. Okay. Whenever you do this hashtag question, you will see this, that this is an official questions thread. Okay. So if you have any question, you just post here. So I would say just go here and write your question here in the comments. So this is where you can say, hey, I have a question, blah, blah, blah. And then within 24 to 48 hours, I'll get back to you. Okay. So that's one way to ask a question. And if you have any successes, any wins, any weddings that you're doing and you want to celebrate, I always encourage you to write hashtag win and then write your successes. So this was a hashtag win by our previous graduates. What happens when we do a hashtag win is we all can see how all the graduates are succeeding in their life. For example, this was Yogita and she did a wedding and she didn't know anything in the world of hairstyling. And in 3 months, she booked a wedding and this is what she did on a client. So she posted that. And then this was Pujashri last time and she posted a hashtag win. So yeah, just anything that you want to post, any client that you did or anything that happened in your life because of BASH and you want to share it, make sure that you're writing hashtag win and then you write all your posts that today this happened, and you can attach some pictures, and we all can celebrate with each other. Now, one thing I would definitely want all of us to do. We used to post in Bash, and then we would see each other's post and we would be inspired, but sometimes we forgot to comment or like, right? Because we were like, yeah, I'll meet Shraddha in the class, I'll meet Nishi in the class, or I'll meet Ida or Rashmi or Meena or Liz or Suman or Sharma ji in the class, and then you would not appreciate their work. But now, since you will not be seeing each other in class, I want you all to encourage each other. I want you all to follow each other, like each other's page, hang out on each other's successes, and be a community. And when each one of you posts here, I would love you all to, you know, comment that, hey Bhavani, this looks great, or whatever that is. I want you all to be your cheerleaders. You know how previous bashers were encouraging you? I want you to be that encouragement, okay? And because that's how I have been brought up. That's how I was growing up. When my peers were encouraging me, it gave me all the more power to, you know, fight, and all the more power to keep doing what I was doing, even though I sucked when I started, and even though I still suck at some things when I'm trying to do new things. But the fact that your peers are giving you some encouragement, or they are saying, go Alicia, go Alicia, go, that really enthuses me. So if Liz is posting something, and Liz said probably that I did this for my quinceañeras. Okay, I think I tried to say this correctly.
Yeah,
And,
you said right.
and then maybe like Sharma ji can write, hey, what's this? And this looks amazing. This is a global community, and there's only one thing that is important, is encouragement, positivity, and support. This is what Bash thrives on. This is what I am all about. And this is what I would like all my Bashes to be all about. Okay. So, and yeah, that's that. And I told you about questions. I told you about this. And let me share my screen. So you'll post your wins, your questions. Your general post can be anything on the Bash Facebook group. And one last thing that I encourage to do, I know some of you post on social media and some of you are like, not so confident yet. So one thing that I still do is I do Bash spotlights. So it'll be you and me only, one at a time on Instagram. So I do one spotlight a week. What will happen is it'll be any one of the bashers. I'll get in touch with you and we will hang out some time on Instagram. You can see my old spotlights with my old bashers, where I talk to them about their journey, how they're using the information that they learned at Bash, and what is their career goal and where they are going from there. So like a business person, you will be on the other side, and I would love for you to be more and more successful. So this is what I love to do, going live on my Instagram. Yes, you and me. And who wants to do this or who doesn't want to do this? If you don't want to do this, there's no pressure. You know me. I don't try to push anyone. So if you want to do a Bash spotlight and if you're ready for it, give me a thumbs up. So I see Suman ji, I see Nishi, I see Sharma ji, Bhavani, Ida, Liz, Meena, Rashmi, not so much. Okay. No problem. So I will definitely contact each one of you separately, and then we will go one by one, and we will love to do a Bash spotlight. Okay. And that's it. Any questions and answers for my cool guy? No? Anyone has any questions? Ida, you're mute.
No more questions.
It was beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And with this, we come to the end of our Bash graduation ceremony. Thank you all for coming. It was a pleasure to have you. And like I always say, I wish the course never ends, but that's just how things are. But I do wish each one of you a very, 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 very successful journey, not only in hairstyling, but in whatever endeavor you put your heart and mind to. You all are extremely beautiful people, extremely beautiful people. And I'm not saying just because I have to. I know each one of you. I've interacted with each one of you. You're extremely beautiful people. Continue to spread the love, care, and affection that we have in Bash. I don't want to be only contagious. I want to be toxic. I want this feeling to go far and beyond than just this course. And I have no words. I just have no words. So I have Effie say, thank you, Alicia, for making my mother an amazing person and a happy person. Thank you, Effie. That's my goal. Like I said, I'm toxic. I'm higher than meth. Right? And yeah, anyone wants to say something? Yes, Sharma ji. Hanji Sharma ji, bolo.
Alicia ma'am, you are amazing. Seriously, you changed my life, my views. हाँ, मैं अपने आप को बहुत बदल लूंगी. आपने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया और मैं बहुत बदलना चाहती हूँ. आपसे मैंने ये सीखा कि सिर्फ प्यार बांटो, सब में सबकी मदद करो. और आने वाला टाइम मैं चाहती हूँ कि बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत होगा और मैं आपको बहुत बदलना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, मैं थोड़ी सी गुस्से वाली हूँ, शॉर्ट टेम्पर हूँ और बहुत कुछ छोड़ चुकी हूँ मैं. ड्यूरिंग बैच कोर्स मैंने बहुत बहुत अपने आप को बदला है और बहुत अमेजिंग हो आप. सीरियसली, मतलब मैं कैसे बताऊँ. आर्यन मेरा जो बेटा है वो ये कहता है कि मुझे क्यों नहीं करवाया, और अभी उसने यहाँ बैठा हुआ था और कह रहा था कि मुझे भी बोलना है. मैंने कहा हाँ, तो आर्यन ने ये बोला कि आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हो. तो मैं भी यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप बहुत अच्छे लगते हो, इसलिए नहीं कि आप हमारे टीचर, और आपने जो हमारे को बदल रहे हो, जो हमारे सोच को बदला है, वो इतनी जल्दी पॉसिबल नहीं था. क्योंकि अभी भी आपने मुझे सिखाया या हमने जो कुछ भी आपसे सीखा, मैं चाहूंगी कि अब जिंदगी में उसे उतारूं. क्लाइंट्स के साथ में जो बिहेवियर है, जब हम उसको सीरियसली, जब हमने उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज किया तो वो दिखता है, वो आउटपुट जो निकल के आ रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा है. कि लोग आते हैं और बोलते हैं कि नहीं मुझे निशा मैम चाहिए, तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि नहीं मेरी डेट बुक है, तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि किसी और से करवा लो, तो बोलते नहीं सॉरी मैम मुझे उससे ही कराना था. और क्या बताऊँ, बहुत इमोशनल हो गई हूँ क्योंकि आज के बाद 7:30 बजे आपका इंतजार रहता था और अब वो आज के बाद से वो इंतजार खत्म हो जाएगा. सुबह उठ के जल्दी जल्दी हेयर स्टाइल बनाना और सैलून से दौड़ के आना और फिर कभी ब्लो ड्रैग करना और हेयर करना. और प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि बहुत बहुत अच्छा करके दिखाएंगे आपको. बीइंग योर स्टूडेंट बहुत बहुत अच्छा होंगे. और कुछ जो भी है, मैं और मीना, वो आप और संगीता मैम के से हैं, क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ बहुत टफ है, मेरी और मीना की, और हम अपने आप को बहुत अपग्रेड रखना चाहते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में, ताकि हम इस दौर में पीछे ना हो जाए. हमें भी वो सब आना चाहिए जो दूसरों को आता है. थैंक यू सो मच, क्योंकि हेयर स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा लगता था, पर जो आपसे सीखा वो शायद किसी से नहीं सीख सकते थे. तो आपको दिल से थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत आपको और संगीता मैम को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. मैं आज जहाँ पे भी खड़ी हूँ, आज से अगर मैं 2 साल पहले पीछे मुड़ के देखती हूँ तो मैं जहाँ थी वहाँ से आज मैं बहुत बहुत आगे अपने आप को पाती हूँ कि मैं बहुत आ गई हूँ. और ये सिर्फ आपकी और संगीता दी की वजह से ही है. नहीं तो अच्छे लोग मिलना जिंदगी में एक बहुत सौभाग्य की बात होती है. लोग तो बहुत मिलते हैं, पर जो बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं, जब वो बहुत अच्छा कुछ सिखाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा आगे जाने के लिए हमें एक एनर्जी देते हैं, हमको एक पॉजिटिविटी देते हैं, और वो शायद आपसे और संयम से मिलती है, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मिलती है. तो मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकती कि कहीं और करूँ या कुछ और करना चाहूंगी। मैं बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ और आपको बहुत बहुत बोलती हूँ, आपको और संगीता मैम को। थैंक यू अलीशा मैम, लव यू लॉर्ड्स। आप बहुत मेहनत करते हो हमारे लिए, इतने सारे वर्कशीट्स बना के देना, हमारे लिए बिंगो बनाना, ये कोई नहीं कर सकता। आपने हमको जो खजाना दिया है, हम अगर उसको संभाल के रखेंगे तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत बड़ी पूंजी है, जो इन 8 हफ्तों में हमें आपसे मिली है। हमको जब मन करेगा हम वीडियो खोलेंगे, देखेंगे और बनाएंगे, और हमेशा आपको याद करेंगे कि हाँ अलीशा ने हमें ये सिखाया है। थैंक यू अलीशा मैम, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच शर्मा जी, थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे पता है कि देयर इज नो वे यू वांट टू लेट मी गो। मुझे पता है आपका बस चले तो मेरे को अलमारी में बंद कर लो आप।
सच में
थैंक यू सो मच। एंड रहेंगे ना साथ में।
अलीशा ये सबकी तरफ से है, ये आंसू है ये सबकी तरफ से है।
Definitely Sharma, Nishi ji, मैं समझती हूँ, it's the same Sharmas and Bhavani and Meena ji and all my bashers. I understand very much. Bhavani wanted to say something. बिल्कुल. Yes, Bhavani, you wanted to say something?
Yes. Because initially I missed out few things to say. But I like to thank David sir from Chennai, because he is the one who introduced me to AIBA. So from where I met Sangeeta ma'am, and from there I could find you. So I was so happy. We were actually first class when I attended Sangeeta ma'am. So I was so impressed. The same thing I saw in you. So I was so happy, and so I would like to thank David sir and Sangeeta ma'am too here, and also to my family, because this was 7:30 session, and my hubby never used to go to kitchen for cooking, but he started learning cooking and preparing for my ourselves, because I have a full schedule from morning till evening. So my hubby and my daughter supported me a lot, especially in cooking, so that I could spend some time. So thank you for this.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Bhavani. Thank you so much for all the cheerleaders. I know it's not possible to complete Bash without having cheerleaders. So thank you so much for sharing this.
Can we have one more of your cheerleaders to speak? I think your husband is online. We would like to hear from him something.
So he is actually the Chief Technical Officer of Hair and Beauty Tour. So yes, we have him.
Hello.
Long time no see.
Yeah, long time no see. So I am, great job everyone. I have known Alisha for at least a decade now. So I have known the hair industry. I have seen a lot of hairstyles, and I see your post on the group, and you have done a brilliant job. I see your first post, and then I see how you have improved, and it's tremendous growth. So good job everyone. I finally get my wife back. These 8 weeks she would just enter the green room, the room that you are seeing in her video. We call it the green room. She'd just enter it and leave at night, and I used to miss her a lot. Now I get to see her at least for a few weeks until she starts on designing her next course. So I'm happy about that. She is perfection personified. Like, even to select the song that was playing in your journey video that she showed you all, it took her half an hour to select the right song, because she wanted it to have the right feeling. So those 2 songs, it took her like half an hour to select that. That's how much she cares about what that song would mean to you. I remember there was a time when in one of the classes, some of you didn't understand some concepts. So after the class, I asked her, hey, how was the class? And she's like, not so good. I'm like, why? She said, oh, some students didn't understand this concept. Now I need to think how to make them understand. And the rest of the day until the next class, she was only thinking about how to make you understand that better. So that's the length she can go to help everyone understand. So yep, great job everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, he is definitely my, I say I have 2 hands and 2 feet. My mom means a lot to me. She's the one who set me up, and she's the one I am such a strong and fierce woman that I am. And my husband is the one who encouraged me to switch from computer science engineering to hair and beauty industry. And he's the one who said, you can do it if you can just try. And he's the one who takes all the F-bombs, like Piers was saying. He's the one who takes that whenever I'm frustrated. And he's the one where we always go back and forth with ideas. Should we do this? Because I completely understand this, that it's not only about business. I feel it's about people. I feel it's about your experience. For me, that matters more. What you experience, and that's why I tell you this. I tell you what has worked for me, and I will say the same thing to you. Work on the experience for your clients. Make your clients not forget you, and that will bring you tons and tons and tons of success. So what I want you to take from Bash is not only the hairstyles and the journey and the community that we've built, that is with you. I also want you to carry this legacy forward and spread it into your brands, and spread it into your work ethics, and spread it into your consultation brochures and into your consultation forms. And when you meet your client and when you are giving that final look to your bride or your special occasion hairstyling member, just keep doing this. It works, and it's amazing to have a life where, you know, when I'll die, if that's tomorrow, I know that I positively impacted at least one life. And that's my goal. My goal is to not change thousands and thousands of people's life. My goal is to just affect one person to become more successful in their life. That's it. Mic drop. This is where I am. So I hope to create a positive impact in your life. And I hope that you will carry this forward. And I want you to take this with yourself. And I want you to be with the Bash community forever and ever. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much for coming in today. And I would love to see all your work on the Facebook group every Thursday, BBNT.
Yes.
Okay. And don't forget, keep cheering each other, follow each other, tag each other. Whatever your Instagram's handles are, post on the Facebook group, and everyone follow each other. I know I'm following everyone. If I'm not, send me your Instagram. I totally follow back. Okay. And like each other's page, post your work slowly on social media, do your customer attraction like we talked about, and be who you are, be authentic. And that's it. Life is a ball. Let's keep celebrating it. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Love
everyone.
you, Alisha ma'am. Love you.
Love you, Sharma ji. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
Alisha.
Bye, Bhavani.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Shraddha. Bye, Saman
Bye,
ji.
everyone.
Bye, Nishi ji. Bye, Meena.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a good night. Bye, Meena
Good
ji.
night. Have a good day, Alisha ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sharma ji.
Bye,
You too.
Alicia.
Bye, Ida.
We're saying bye, but no one is leaving. I'm seeing that. No one has left the meeting.
Yes, no one want to left the meeting.
I will do it. Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
That's so well.